everyone, this is Becky with Scott Roy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can find and edit your KW agent site subdomain so that you can have that updated URL for your KW agent site. So the first thing we want to do is we want to sign into command, which is agent.kw.com with our KW login credentials. And once we are signed in, we are going to navigate to the website's applet. The applets menu is on the left-hand side, and the website's applet is going to be the very last one that looks like a browser window popping out of a box. So we would click on that. If you're not familiar with these applets yet, you can click this red square with the white KW, and it will expand the whole menu. And then we'll just click it again to close it. Or you can hover over each of them and you'll see the name of the applet pop up there. Once we are in our website applet, we can find out what our current URL is. You can click this copy website URL and it'll go ahead and add it directly to your clipboard. We can go over to manage settings on the right hand side. And then down at the very bottom on the left, you're going to see my subdomain. So under here, you're going to see what your current subdomain is. The subdomain is the part before .kw.com. The .kw.com will always remain on your KW agent site. So you'll just edit this first part, which is your subdomain. So you can go in and you can click whatever it is, and then you would just click claim subdomain in the bottom right corner. And you'll see right here your subdomain is confirmed. So we can go ahead and we can change that however we'd like. And you'll see those changes go into effect immediately. And then you'll be able to go to this URL, full URL. It'll update this clipboard option right here, and you'll be able to share it directly from there. If you have any questions or run into any snags with any of this, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we are always here to help out. Hope you have a great day.